Today we're going to show you how to make a tired face look instantly refreshed. Start by highlighting under the eyes, around your nose and on your chin with a light concealer. If you're really dark under the eyes, use a concealer that has a hint of yellow in it to neutralize the dark circles. Next, using a brush, add some highlighter under the arch of the eyebrow and in the inner corner of the eye. Then blend with a soft brown eyeshadow to the globe of the eye to define and give it depth. Next, curl your eyelashes and add some white eye pencil in the waterline to open up the eyes. Top off with mascara. Finish off with a blush in a pink colour to give your cheeks that rosy, fresh look. And there you have it, the tricks that make a tired face look fresh and rested.